sandali na yung Kuya Maria.
Good afternoon, Miss. Welcome to Sitandi Hotel. May I ask you are there any security information, please?
Okay, you are. Okay, let me check. That is correct. We have your booking for 5 nights and a 5 of 2. Yes, correct. Okay, that's correct, Miss. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. That's correct.
Alright, could you please read out this promise, please? So, would you leave to credit card or for your payment?
I will use my credit card.
Thank you. Guys, this is your credit card. And this is your room. Okay. Your room is 23, the second floor. You can check it now. And if you need something, you can tell us. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay, please. Thank you. Good morning, Miss. Good morning, Miss. Yes, can you please?
I would like to check out place.
Okay, may I see your ID and phone number, please?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, let me check it out. Alright, here's your bill. 200,000.
Would you like to pay cash or card?
I will pay the card. Yeah.
Perfect. Please step or insert your card here, please.
Done.
Thank you. Here is if we hope you enjoy our stay and let's you stay in our hotel.